Ever looked at a pile of old jars, worn-out books, or a faded t-shirt and thought, is this just clutter? Well, I see treasure. Today, I'll show you how to transform everyday throwaways into beautiful, eco-friendly home decor without breaking the bank or harming the planet. Let's make your home feel good, inside and out. First up, let's light things up with a mason jar lantern. Grab an old mason jar, some twine, a few dried flowers, and a solar garden light. Clean up the jar, wrap the twine snugly around the neck, and knot it to make a hanging loop. Pop a couple of dried flowers inside for a rustic touch. Now drop in your solar light. You've just made a glowing lantern that charges by day and lights up by night. No plugs, no waste, just pure eco-magic. Next, here's a twist for all you book lovers: book spine shelves. Take a couple of hardback books, ones you know won't be read again, plus some small L-shaped brackets and a screwdriver. Fix the brackets inside the back cover, then mount the books to your wall, spine out. Stack a plant, a candle, or your favorite trinket on top. You've just made a floating shelf that's as clever as it looks, upcycling at its finest. Moving on, let's give that old t-shirt a second life. Cut it into long strips, tie the ends, and braid away. Every few inches, knot the braids to form pockets. Tie it all together at the end, slip in a plant pot, and hang it up. You've made a braided plant hanger. No sewing, no stress, just instant greenery for any corner. Plus, you've saved one more shirt from landfill. Now for something bold: pallet wood wall art. Sand down a few pallet pieces, watch those splinters. Arrange them into a pattern: geometric, random, herringbone, whatever you fancy. Attach them to a backing board, then brush on some eco-friendly stain or paint. Hang it where the light catches all those unique textures and knots. Each plank tells its own story, and now your wall does too. With your DIYs done, it's time to style. Place lanterns in dark corners for a cozy glow. Mix book spine shelves into your gallery wall for extra depth. Hang your plant holders by a sunny window and let nature do the rest. Display your palette art somewhere it'll catch the sun and make your guests ask, "Where did you buy that?" The magic is, you're not just decorating, you're reducing waste, lowering your carbon footprint, and making your home a living gallery of creativity and purpose. Every upcycled piece is a tiny act of rebellion against throwaway culture, and a reminder that sustainability starts at home. So next time something's on its way to the bin, stop and imagine what it could become. Share your creations in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. And if this inspired you, stick around. Next time, I'll be showing you sustainable furniture hacks you won't believe. Because every small, sustainable choice changes your home, and together we're changing the world.